I'm Jeff Saviano with Aurora LED Systems. This is booth 1381 at LDI 2024. So among the new and innovative products we're showing is this unfolding display LED screen. This happens to be 3.9 millimeter indoor. Our demonstrator, and for more mobile applications, the units come out of this case at the bottom that holds your motors, that holds your pulley system, and it also has both button and remote control, because the whole deal with this screen is that whether it's coming out of the base as a mobile solution or perhaps installed up high from a soffit as a permanent installation, you can have a screen when you need it. So you just activate the motors and pulleys and the screen unfolds and either ascends or descends, as the case may be, so that you can have a screen when you need it and put it away when you don't need it. This happens to be at a 1 meter wide and usually 4 meter high feature, but it can be custom made, and then you can add multiple together and hook them to have wider and larger displays. So imagine a stage curtain style LED screen that goes away when your live performance doesn't need a screen in front of it. So for more information on this and other products, please visit us. Just Google Aurora LED Systems, and on their display, on their results where it says click directions, where it says website, click website, you'll get us.